Hey guys, this is Nick from Meteora, and today I'm going to show you how to do a search retargeting campaign, which basically means you're going to target people based on what they searched on the web, like on Google, Yahoo, or Bing, or even on blogs or things like ESPN.com, where there's a search bar to search through their articles. What happens is when you go to Google, let's type in shoes. And you can see up here that the query string up here is shoes, so that's the URL. So now when I go and click on something down here, like any of these different websites, and if there's an ad slot on the page following that, then that ad slot will pass in the query for shoes, and then I store it as a user. So basically we just know what they've searched and bypass having to pay for Google pay-per-click or anything like that, which is really nice, especially for very competitive keywords like life insurance or something like that. But let's stick with the shoes example for now. So when you first log into Meteor, you're going to see this, or if you already have a campaign, you might see the stats page. So you can select from a pre-made template, but let's just go ahead and build it from scratch using the left-hand column. So I'm going to hit create. I'm not going to fill out the normal campaign stuff here. That's pretty self-explanatory, selecting your ads. But I'm going to go to the apps tab, and then I'm going to add in an app for search retargeting. And now you can see that on the bottom. So if I just turn that on, there's an include and exclude keywords. So I'm going to type in my keywords: shoes, Nike. That's about it for now. And what you're going to want to do most likely is copy and paste your AdWords keyword list that's very long. Right now this is up to 2,000 keywords. We can go higher upon request. The more keywords you have, the more reach you're going to get, the more ads you're going to show. So it's important to have a nice keyword list, because just out of shoes and Nike, you could throw that in a keyword tool on AdWords and generate like 800 plus keywords you can paste in here that'll be misspellings and different things related to shoes, stuff like that. So another thing you might want to do is put Adidas in exclude, because you don't want anybody searching for Adidas shoes for some reason. That might be because that's a certain competitor, or just like the shoes don't match yours, whatever on that. So another thing too is you can add them one by one, right? Misspellings and stuff like that, or you can copy and paste from a list. So what you're going to want to do a copy and paste of a large list is just get a comma separated list of all your keywords. So you can do that in Excel. Google will export that for you sometimes. So then you'll just highlight all the keywords in an Excel sheet or the whole column or something like that with the comma separated list, and then you'll just copy and paste it in here, hit enter, and it'll separate them out into each keyword like this. So that's just a really nice way to do it, and yeah, it's a very targeted way to get around paying for PPC costs on search engines.